Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to execute a simple Python program in macOS. I created a simple Python code here. I am using just print method so that it will just print whatever text I put inside that method. In the first line, I have print hello, and in the next line, I have print welcome to Infallible Techie Videos. I saved this file with the name sample.py and it is in my desktop location. I hope you can see that it is in my desktop location. So in my desktop I have a file with the name sample.py and there I have two print statements. In order to execute this Python code, I should have installed Python already. If you are new and if you don't know how to install Python, please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should get a link using which you should be able to install Python in your macOS. So the extension of the file is .py. You can use any text editor. I am using Sublime Text here, and I have added two lines of code with the two print statements, and the file name is sample.py and it is in my desktop location. Now open terminal. So I opened my terminal. Here first I have to change my directory to desktop. So I'm using cd space desktop so that I'm in my desktop location now. Now in order to run this Python scripts, I have to use Python 3. My Python version is 3.xxx, so I am using Python 3 as the command. So Python 3 space the file name, and if I press enter, it will execute my the script inside my sample.py and then it will display the results. So here I'm displaying hello and the next is welcome to Infallible Techie Videos. So we saw a simple print statements in Python script, and then we were able to execute it in our macOS. Please check the video description. In the video description, first we should be installing the Python in macOS before executing this. So that link should help you to install Python in your macOS. Later you can create Python script using any text editor. The file extension should be .py and you can use Python 3 space the file name with the .py extension so that it will execute it. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.